our 2E0XVX with the fume extractor that I've made out of the 3D printer. It's got a filter in there. It's got a nice filter on it. It's got a switch on, the power switch on there. So if we turn on the power switch, and we're doing some soldering, and as you can see, it's sucking the air, the crap, through the filter. Some of it goes over the top, but most of it's going through there. I'm quite pleased with that. Look at that. So if I put that where I'm soldering, basically I've sucked all the fumes up on there. So that's the 2E0XVX homebrew filter.